Okay, now let's move on to algebra 1 level, evaluating expressions, okay? So let's say we have y, divide that by 2, plus x. So let's say x is equal to 1, say y is equal to 2. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the numbers and solve this expression, right? So we get y, which is negative 2, y equals 2, so we plug in 2, divide that by 2 plus, okay, now what is x? X is 1 plus 1. So now let's do order of operations. So please excuse my dear. Okay, so division comes before addition. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Let's try a couple more. Say we had y squared minus x. Say x is equal to 7, y is equal to 7. So now just plug in the numbers. So y squared is, or y is 7, so it becomes 7 squared minus x, which is 7. So 7 squared minus 7, which is also equal to, well, let's use our factoring, knowledge, okay? Since we know that this is 7 squared minus 7, they have like terms, so we can actually factor this out, right? So we can factor out a 7, so it becomes 7 times 7 minus 1, right? So that equals to 7 times 6, which is equal to 42. Or you could just multiply 7 times 7 minus 7 and still get 42. Whichever way you want to do it. Let's try one more. Let's try 6q plus m minus m. Okay. Now this is too easy. Let's try something else. How about y minus z plus z squared, and then y is equal to 10, z is equal to 2. Okay, so y is 10 minus z, which is 2, plus 2 squared. Okay, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the 2's because they have like terms. So this means 10 minus 2 times 1 plus 2, because you can factor out 2 to the 1. So if you factor out 2 to the 1, this becomes 1, and this just becomes 2 to 2, right? So that's equal to 10, and then minus 2 times 1 plus 3, which is 3, so it's 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4.